Hey, what's up? This is Ron from Scratch Made Easy. With this lesson, we're going to pick up where we left off in the previous video. We're going to continue stabbing and baby scratching quarter notes, eighth notes, and 16th notes. You can find a link to the sheet music in the description below. If at any time you are confused, remember to check back to previous videos. Alright, let's count it off. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the next example, let's focus on getting our baby scratch to have clean and even strokes. Remember that we want our strokes to sound the same. Let's also work on getting our stabs evenly spaced apart while trying to make sure that they sound identical. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It might take a lot of time and effort to get your stabs to sound identical, so you might want to consider dedicating some of your practice time to just working on stabs. It's always good to have practice sessions with specific goals and objectives. With the third example, let's continue to get our strokes as clean and as consistent as possible. We want the stabs to sound the same. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to practice this lesson several times with both hands. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. See you next video. Peace.